Are you trying to break up this family? Kocho is a good man. I mean, how could you make such a bizarre allegation against him?
Ma, it's true. He came to the bathroom and squeezed my
Shut
hair.
up! You are going crazy. Gosh, that is your father you are slandering against.
Ma, anyone would believe that this is sexual harassment. Anytime when I'm going to bath, watch his movements.
Sheba, are you aware these lies can send your dad to jail? Look around. Remember this house. And everything in it. Everything. Including your dress, even your underwear. And that stupid school, where your bad friends have confused your mind by strange notions of harassment. It's all from him. Even my business. Look here. I will personally kill you. Before you cause my downfall with your lies. Do you understand? Before.
I'm coming from the dogs. Some were barking and some were crying.
The dogs?
So I have to, yes, so I have to go and see to them. Yes.
Is the gate locked?
Yes, I've locked everything. You shouldn't have woken up. Oh.
Was there anybody there?
No, there's nobody.
And what about Sheba? Is she okay?
Yes, she's fine. As if she's having a little nightmare, but she's okay. Please, don't worry yourself. Huh? Oh. Deliver us from evil.
Darling, you're going to be late, so breakfast is ready.
Look, I'm already late.
So you're not going to eat?
No.
I'll prepare you your favorite oatmeal. Come on. You need to replenish all the energy lost from last night.
How blessed. So, look, I will see you in the evening, okay?
Really?
Yes.
Don't be long, okay?
Oh, okay.
I'll be waiting. Take care.
All right.
Have a nice day.
No.
Oh, God. Maa Shee. Hey.
Sadia, here, some beverage for you.
Maa Shee, thank you.
It will pep you up, okay?
Thank you. Maa Shee, did your mom actually...
My mom? My mom was only concerned about her own self-preservation. Sadia, he told me to shut up. Zip it.
Oh, Maa Shee. I'm so sorry, Maa Shee.
It's okay, girl.
So sorry.
It's okay, Sadia. Yeah, you just sit down, okay? I need to fix me a drink. I need it.
Maa Shee, do you know you are so strong?
Say that again.
Did this to you and you could survive.
Girl, you know what doesn't kill you can only make you stronger.
Maa Shee. Maa Shee.
And that's how come I ended up at Auntie Jay's house with my mom's best friend.
Sheba, that's your schoolmate who drives the Benz. Are you aware that her mom has been in jail for the past 4 years? Yes. See? They never tell you. Look, no man would like to marry you when they hear sad things about you. So you see, my dear, it's not only in our house that such shameful things happen. And one more thing. It's nobody's business why your mom has traveled and you are not staying at home with your dad. Do you understand?
Ma, but what if Auntie Jane asks me?
Hey, how? Abiba will be coming home this weekend for midterms. And she will be very thrilled to have you as a roommate. I wouldn't even be surprised if she would want to stay back home as a day student just because of you.
I'm sure they're going to have a great time.
Oh,
but
yes.
please, let them make time apart to focus on their studies.
Yeah.
And she here hopes to be your apprentice, hairdressing apprentice
Oh,
at home.
yeah.
I'm sure Abiba already have all the basics for hairdressing.
Can you imagine? She just take your things into Abiba's room and unpack. I'm already enjoying my new home-based apprentice. Hey, you.
Check me out.
Hey,
More than 80 years.
Hey.
My sister, input, request, output, cash. I mean, l'argent.
hey, maybe you saw me so.
My dear, listen. Gone are those days when Kojo used to say no to my request. They're in the history now. Ever since I caught him cheating on me, even though he still denies it, I don't have to cough. He comes running to see if I need something, and he signs like a fool.
Hey! Hey!
Too much.
Hey, would you any? Hey,
my sister, have a look at this.
Hey!
Take it to Holland.
Anyway, so how is she going to take it? You know, 5 years is rather a long time.
If your mom is traveling abroad and you are complaining, you don't get anything, do you? No dollars, no abroad stuff.
Hey, what the hell?
Not even vacation, will you? My dear, everybody needs benefits.
Hey.
Anyway, listen, I didn't call you here to talk about the saga of my life. There's something important we need to discuss. You have to be strong. I know the source of all your problems with your Madame Abiba.
You're so full.
Exactly. He's a fraud, a big fraud.
I knew it, Maa Shee. I knew it. Hey.
Listen here, we really need to strategize. We need to ensnare him, then we go for the kill. Do you get me?
Hey.
Very important.
Maa Shee.
Now I'll teach you a few things that you need to do, okay? Great. You know, that's why I always tell you, you need to be very strong in this life. Learn how to defend yourself, because there will be all sorts of attacks from all sorts of people.
How many times must I warn? Whenever you want to take something, you have to tell me, oh my madam. Huh?
And why should I?
Because my madam says so. Don't you get it? What's your family?
Sadia,
What name?
I don't understand you. I don't understand you and this your madam business. You are so protective of her. Why? Yet she's ready to throw you out to the dogs.
Danger, that is your own palaver. That is your ayawa no kiti. Fit you fear some. I don't want pass some sir.
Oh, me fear some. You to all sack bizarre. Madam, see, you better grow up and start thinking about yourself. See, you need some insurance, you know.
Insurance? For what?
Oh, for a rainy day, you know. The day she will throw you out for good.
Alakia, Danger, you are a deceit. Benina, that is exactly what you are. I will not be swayed. In fact, the Lord is my shepherd. I shall not
want. See, God helps those who help themselves. You know what time it is? Yes.
They took Nestor. Milo.
Excuse me, I will be back.
And I'm waiting for you.
I will be back.
I am waiting for you, Danger. Do your work.
Skido, what is it? Huh? You just broke an indoctrination section. Massa, cut the boo. What is that?
Charlie, there is a crisis. The woman wants a meeting.
Which woman?
The she, of course.
Huh? The hairdresser? The hairdresser? I'm in charge. Just take it easy. Huh? I'll be with you soon. Alright? Oh no shaking.
No sitting. Tell him.
No shaking.
No sitting. No yawa.
No shaking. See, if guys they believe yourself too much. No. If plan A, no the B. Plan B.
Plan B to know the B.
Up to Z to maybe now we dey finish A. What I say? Before we go get to Z, then we get all our properties. Oh, what are you talking about?
We are investing in criminal damage.
Serious one. Serious one. Yeah.
Tell you.
Oh, to me, oh, to me. It was for the guard, though.
Yeah.
What's that?
See, I know I deal. Yeah, sure.
For the guard.
We are conquering.
You can't go to Hollywood.
You can't go to it.
Hollywood.
We can do this.
Also, look if you go Hollywood.
Hollywood.
It's a trap. As sure as danger is my name.
So, on a more serious note, what are we going to do now?
Hear her out. How dangerous can that be? I've handled her before, and I will handle her again.
See, security is the chief enemy of mortals. Security gives way to conspiracy.
Yeah, danger. Danger. Not in times like this. Enough with your Shakespeare quotes.
Where does she want the meeting?
At the place of our choice. We have a higher ground, an advantage.
I still don't like this. See, that woman is up to something. I'm telling you.
Hey, relax. You see, why are you so hyped up?
Retribution, Armageddon, sulfuric acid.
Tetraoxosulfate 6 acid. Iopac nomenclature. Hey.
Over there.
And the Scotchman chicken. Look who we have here. Is it the Three Musketeers or a bunch of fleeing cowards? Which of you is that Osofu Joseph the imposter?